In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake process with forms in Clickup. Intake forms are a powerful way to gather important information, streamline your workflows, and ensure every project starts on the right track. Whether you're managing a team or handling projects on your own, creating a customized intake process in Clickup can save you time and keep everything organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional form that you can share with your team or clients to collect all the details you need. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to log in to your Clickup account. Once you're in, navigate to your Workspace using the sidebar on the left. Your Workspace is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're in the right place to get started. Next, locate the specific project you want to gather intake forms for. This might be a project that's already underway or something new you're about to kick off. Once you've selected your project, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled View. Go ahead and click on that. From the available options in the View menu, choose Form View. This is where you'll set up the intake form that will help you collect key project information. If you don't already have a form view for this project, you can create a new one from scratch. Alternatively, Clickup offers templates like the project intake form, which you can use as a starting point. Once you've chosen your form, it's time to customize it. This is where you'll tailor the form fields to meet the specific needs of your project intake process. Start by editing the default fields or adding new ones. Let's make sure your form captures all the right details. First, add a field for the project name. Encourage whoever is filling it out to provide a clear and descriptive title. This will make it easier to identify and organize projects later on. Next, include a field for project details. In this section, you can gather background information, deadlines, objectives, and any specific requirements. The more thorough this field is, the better prepared you'll be to move the project forward. After that, add a field for project priority. To keep things simple and consistent, set clear options like low, medium, and high. This will allow you and your team to quickly assess which projects need immediate attention. Once all your fields are added, it's important to preview the form. This step ensures that everything is clear and user-friendly. Look over the form carefully and make sure each field is intuitive and free of errors. If you notice anything that could be improved, whether it's the wording of a question or the layout of the fields, make the necessary tweaks to polish it up. When you're satisfied with the form, it's time to make it shareable. Click the Copy Link option to generate a unique link for your form. With this link, you can easily send the form to your team, clients, or anyone else who needs to fill it out. Share it via email, team chat, Slack, or any other platform your team uses for communication. And that's it. You've successfully created an intake form in Clickup. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.